Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here. Come to you with a smaller video. Going to be making a TV stand for a secondary TV. So what we're going to be using is this mount I got. Adjustable here for my 30, almost 40-inch TV. Then this is a piece of smaller C channel. 4 feet long. And to make the base is some of this 3/4 inch square solid rod, I guess, to give it some weight. And we're gonna be setting my TV on the base to give it some more weight. So TV number 1 going to be on the bottom, TV number 2 going to be up on this stand. But TV number 1 is still going to have the original stand on this base. So, yeah. So the base design, some type of the base design, only 24 inches wide and about 14 long. And for the height, about 48 inches, which is the same height, length of that. To go up to halfway point on that TV to make this work on the halfway point. So yeah, so in between each TV I should have had about 2 inches of clearance, because this moves back and forth. I can adjust it, angle it up or down, so that gave me some adjustment. But to get started, I'm going to get started on the base, and I'm going to make up a design for this. Okay guys, got it mostly together. I'm just going to tack it in place. But that's the design I'm thinking about. And having this piece somewhere about there, and had that go straight up. And had some supports down here to support it more. But yeah, I might put another one in the center, but we'll see. But I'm going to tack this together, make it all nice and straight, so, and set that in the edit TV will set right on top of this. Okay guys, got it all tacked in or welded up. I went with a different design down here. Yeah, looking pretty good. This little design in here looks like almost like a Superman symbol. But yeah, should come along good. There's some bracelet on the side just to support side to side. Can't put nothing on the front side because the net TV going to be there. Net TV stand, I mean. So, but if I step on it, it don't even move that much. You gotta put like 40, 60 pounds on the front to even make it move. So, I think it's good. So, even with it, if I didn't have a TV down there, I think it would just stand up by itself, too. But yeah, this is all working up here. I did tack welded it. I made sure it didn't get too hot so it wouldn't melt the little plastic liners in there to make it go make it slide. So yeah, now I'm gonna take the wire wheel to all this, scrape it off, and give it a little paint job. Okay guys, got it all sand. Took the wire wheel to it, most of it. And primed it and painted it gloss black, 2 coats, and it looked pretty sick with that gloss black on there. Too bad this won't be this will be covered. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna install it and put the TV down here and the TV up there and show you guys what it looked like after. Okay guys, this is the setup I got now. Single TV on a small stand. So we're going to take this thing down, and this is the stand I made. So we're going to fold this up to there. Okay guys, got it fully up installed. Got a 48-inch on the bottom and a 42 on the top. So we all mount it. As you can see, the TV is on this stand. So yeah, it's solid up there. And yeah. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.